Assalomu alaykum. 2026-yil 16-aprel. Avloniy mana qo'shilish ustamiz seminar boshlanish jarayonida mana maktab rahbarlari va o'qituvchilar uchun raqamli pedagogika bo'yicha seminar 2026-yil 16-aprel.
Toshkent viloyati.
Eng faollarini chaqirganimizda, eng ilg'or o'qituvchilar chaqirganimizda, ularga eng yaxshi texnologiyalar, raqamli
oddiy bir maktabda o'qiyotgan o'qituvchilarimizga ham juda ham bir manfaatli bo'ladi. Bu trening xabaringda bo'lsa kerak, hozir mana maktabgacha va maktab ta'lim vazirligi hamda Ishonchning jamg'armasi hamda birinchi o'rinda xalqaro UNICEF xalqaro tashkilotini O'zbekistondagi vakolatxonasi bilan birgalikda amalga oshirilyapti.
And the results show that clearly these solutions that have been developed in Finland, they clearly work here in Uzbek countries as well. And that's why I'm very excited to share your experiences and insights about what you think about using these solutions in the classrooms. And as principals, of course, it's really important that you make teachers feel that they are supported and they understand there might be problems, but together I have no doubt that we can solve them. Finally, again, thank you for the invitation. It's great to be here. And I hope that all of you learn about
sun'iy intellekt, raqamli pedagogika bo'yicha biza nazariyadan beramiz va undan keyin kun davomida shular bilan faqat keyin shular bilan turli xil o'qituvchilar bor bu yerda, adashmasam informatika fan o'qituvchilari, ingliz tili va tabiiy fanlar, sistem fanlaridan kelgan. Ya'ni men sizlarni chaqirganimiz asosiy sababi baribir eng ilg'orini beringlar deganimizda maktabda o'qituvchi ko'pda, hammani qamrab olishimiz qiyin. Maktabda kimdadir 50 ta, 100 ta, eng kamida 20 ta o'qituvchi bor. Seminarda ishtirok etish uchun 3-4 nafar. Maqsad nafaqat sizlar o'rganish. Bilaman, informatika fan o'qituvchilari qaysidir sohada ancha ilg'or, kodlashni biladi.
Is that not everyone is at the same level of ICT experience. And I think maybe some of you came this morning and you felt a little bit uncomfortable, and others might